Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Django, which is a Python web application for building responsive web framework. So we're going to be modifying this template that's gotten from colorlib. We're going to be working our way up. The link to it will be in the description to get this template also. This is just a static template that we're going to be modifying using Django. So Django itself makes it easier to build better web apps more quickly and with less code. So we're going to be working with the object relational mapper, the URLs and views, the template, the forms, the authentication, and the admin. So we've got the register form here, which has um which accepts username and password and also confirms the password. But for now, the password is in clear text. He's going to be putting this password as a clear text. So for now, if we're going to click on the register button, it actually doesn't do anything, it just brings you back to the same page again with the same information you filled earlier still there. So we're going to be working our way of saving all this to a database using the SQLite to save this to a database. So all these images now will be getting from the database. We're going to be using Django to make the work. Actually, Django makes our life even easier. Even if I say so, because I kind of like the way it does its own thing. So we're going to be working with the admin interface, which makes it easier to control the web app itself. Django has already built admin interface that makes it even easier to work with the admin. The only thing just is just a few tweaks and here to make it work as how you want it. So we're going to be building this up. We're going to be working on the blog section also. We're going to be working on almost all the pages here. The personality trait. We're going to be working on the blog. We're going to allow users to post blogs themselves, to post articles of themselves actually. I'm gonna make all this work. So for now, all this don't actually do anything. We come down to all categories, it doesn't work, like it doesn't do anything. And the search doesn't work also. The search doesn't work also. Nothing actually works here. So we're gonna be working our way, building this, making everything look responsive. Please don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos and hit the bell icon. This digit itself is hard coded. We're going to be setting our own from the admin. We're going to make our own database for it, our own admin panel for it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. God bless you.